Hey, it's Dave. So, out here on the street, I'm a little cone up. So I'm in the neighborhood. I'm going to work on this John Deere a little bit. Going to get the mower deck off. And then once that's done, I'm going to power wash everything and go from there. Definitely has an oil leak, so see if we can get more onto that here in a minute. Alright, let me show you what we're doing. So, I got the belt off, and I am following the directions, sadly. So belt's loose. I'm getting this tension rod out now, and then we'll get on it here in a minute. Alright, Dave out. There we go. There we go. Whee! That was a chore. Just get this out. What a chore. Of course, easier said than done. There. And my fingers caught. Let's go to the other side. That's easier. Whew. Watch out, baby. I don't want to run you over. So, J-pin pull. So that one come out real easy. Did you knock that over? Sorry about that, guys. Alright, now we're going to try, actually, hammering these. See. Hammer. Try to punch it out. I don't know if it'll be successful or not. This end here is caught right there on the other side. I can't get it out. I do not want to go. Like so. Tires still come off pretty easy. All that holds them on is a weird tire. Is this clip. It's just got a clip on it and some washers. All right, so it's free at last, free at last. I don't know why. All right, you'll push it and I'll slide.
Beep, beep. Hello.
How are you liking it?
The car?
Yeah, yeah.
She's my baby.
All right.
There were some little kids in a parking lot. They're like, whoa, that's so cool. Like, there's a Corvette over there.
Put some flames on it.
Oh, yeah.
It is cool. I agree.
Good luck with it.
Yeah. Is there something?
Oh, no, you got it?
Yeah.
What am I doing?
It's pushing. Side pull. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Fuck, I'm tired.
Ready? Huh?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's why we're cleaning it.
She's nasty.
Exactly. And that's why I'm cleaning it. There you go. Whew. Ready? I think we might be able to roll it. You can't do that. Got it?
Yeah. Like right here, right? Yeah, I can do it.
We're gonna finish putting the hood on. So I got this part on, and I've watched a couple videos. In one of the videos, they actually took this off, attached it to the hood, and then put it on. I'm not sure if that's how I got to do it. I got the parts to do it, and I gotta see how it all fits together. So let me get that figured out, and we'll be back here in a minute. All right, Dave out. Alrighty. Well, it does appear this has got to come off and be put on the hood. Grill, I can smell it. Get this out all the way. Just want to loosen it. I think actually I have to take it out. Oh, no. Slide it on. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see if we can get this put on to the hood. Yeah. See, the hard part is remembering you're upside down. Hood. Yeah, the hood can move up. That's it. All right, let's get our grommets and stuff. And of course, too big. Looks like it could do a screwdriver, but if I can find a socket, I'd rather do that. And then I think I have it upside down. I honestly do. Oh no, that would be, yep. No, that's right. I have it right. Do I? Facing underneath. No, it's upside down. You idiot. You believe that? I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's supposed to be the other way around. Well, the screws fit in nicely. Let's see it under there. Now, so in the bottom, it has to be this way, where I can't reach the bolts. Well, the bolts are useless. Oh, it does not make a lot of sense this way. Yeah, okay. It'd be easy. Everything is as it appears. That does seem to fit in there. So we just started. Lily, enjoying the time outside? We got that side on and started. Let's see if we get this one. side went easier. Tighten them all down. A little tight, but that's okay. Now I can reach the. See, there's bolts here and here that I have to reach up from the underneath. This is what secures it to the frame. The frame slides right in between here, and then I bolt that down. Just got like a little, I don't know, it's a cool little wedge thing you do. So we'll give that a whirl here in a second. All right, hold on. All right, see these little indents here. So that's where the hood, that bolt and washer slide in, bolts up, facing up this way. I have to reach in underneath, just one on each side, and put that in. So. There's that one. There we go. You want to make yourself useful for a second? You just hold the hood right where it is. Try to tighten this down.
I got it.
Thank you. Very bien.
She already looks good.
Yeah. Well, let's close it, see what it looks like. Oh, ta-da.
That's Chevy.
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's brand new.
Yeah. What'd you find?
She
Lily, did you find,
grabbed her towels.
grab a paper towel there, buddy? All right, let's turn it around. So, hey, look at that. Sarah, open it up. It should stay open. It does, yeah. So I got two more bolts to put in, one here and one on the other side. I'll do that, and then a couple other little things. We wrap this one up. So, all right, hold on a minute. All right, so I have two other things to put on, and we'll talk about where I got them. Oops, stay up here. So, so on the previous hood, this foam thing goes around that center and it creates like a seal. I'm gonna put, and I'm gonna put this back. I don't know that most people care, but I think it adds to the function of it. So hopefully this is all sticky. It is. So good. All right, the last thing, I took this off the old mower, and it's some kind of guard. I gotta figure out how it goes, so bear with me as we manure. Holes. No, it goes like this. I got it. It goes like that. Oh, come on, Dave. All right, you see we got it together. It does sit together. It all hooks in nicely. So you're like, Dave, that's cosmetic. Why did you care? Well, I don't know. I want it to look nice. Main reason. The hood performs a function too, and has a role in how the tractor runs. So I just thought it all needs to work together. So anyway, that wraps that up. So deck is fine now. The rest of the body is okay. I got, like it matters, but I have some stickers. My wife's gonna make me one that says John Deere. Don't tell Johnny Deere that. I need to order headlamps, which I finally got the parts code from. This is all to my learning curve, which we're gonna talk about here in a second. So that part's good. No, it doesn't fit 100% perfect, but it's pretty good. So what I had to, so I took a new grill, new front bumper, and the hood, which the hood's a top hood and a lower hood, and then the foam cushion thing, and that was all the hood parts. So, all right. So here's what I learned: if you you want to find things with that guy on it, boy, they're really protective of their numbers and such. It took forever, and finally I found it in the owner's manual. Been finding where it's hard to find. I shouldn't say you can't find it. You can find parts lists, but they're always linked to a John Deere dealership. So you're limited. You can't see price or order them unless you want to order it through John Deere. Off-brand parts for the hood and stuff, and that's where I bought it. I did buy it new, all from eBay though. So the price was much lower than you'd think, but maybe more than you think I should put into it. But we'll go over total costs and everything at the end. So I did buy those. None of them through John Deere. Now, where the engine's leaking, I'm gonna buy a gasket kit from John Deere and see how much that is. I still haven't got from a John Deere dealership, which I ordered almost a week and a half ago, the tune-up kit. I didn't know Johnny Deere was so possessive of their stuff. It's just a lawn tractor. Good grief. Fix it, but we're moving in a week, so I had to get this wrapped up so I can pack up my tools. All right, like I always say, make kindness your business. Try to do some kind for somebody. Old Drippy still dripping, so more in this adventure as we go down. I am impressed how well it mows and how well it rides. So, if that means anything. Did to me. So, well, anyway, there we go. Dave out.